Hello, I'm Terry, Operations Manager and co-owner at Hilliard Tire and Auto Center.
Hello, this is Mark. I'm a client of Hilliard Tire and Auto, and they have a couple of suggestions that they always pass on. One is even though your gas gauge can go almost to empty and you still have a little bit of gas, it's not healthy for your car, for your engine, for your fuel filter, for your fuel pump to let the gas get that low. So they recommend when you get down to 3/8 of a tank, it's time to start to fill up. And fill up that way, you've got a full tank of gas. That way, if you have an emergency at night, you don't have to stop and get gas on the way. If it gets freezing cold and snow and you don't want to have to fill up in the next morning when it's 3 inches of snow or really cold or rainy, so you're going to fill up the night before. And as soon as that gas pump clicks, you might want to put a splash more, but when that clicks once, I put no more gas in the car because back in the day there used to be vapor lock, and I don't want to, with the heat in the summer, I do not want the fuel to expand and come out the gas tank, or come out the where you put the gas in. Make it easy for me to say. So keep it at least 3/8 and higher. Don't overfill the tank, and have a great day. From Hilliard Tire and Auto.
We at Hilliard Tire would love the opportunity to earn your business as well as your friendship.